Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to find the fuse for the power seats guys. Stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. Actually you have two of them, one is hidden, make sure to stay until the end. That should cover generation year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what's the plan guys? To make at least 200 guys free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300 guys mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Auto Repair guys, right here guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. Let's explain what we have here. That fuse box, now we need to open that cover, one tap here, one there, squish, pull straight up, check it out, and now we need to go ahead, grab the fuse puller, we need to take it with us, make sure to stand till the end. We actually have two fuses that we need to check, and if you need to buy cheap replacement fuses, we'll put the link in the description of the video below guys. You can get a whole bunch of them for the price of just a few fuses. So if you come right here, okay, you have power seats right here guys, you come, you remove that cover, okay, great, and then you're going to come to the fuse box and you need to locate guys. Okay, I'm talking about the very first fuse on the top left corner guys. This fuse right here, that 30 fuse, that's for the power seat guys, power seat right here. So if you need to remove that fuse, grab that, okay, fuse puller, spread it, get on top of the fuse. Okay, haha, almost dropped it, such a limited room there, and pull it out. I always recommend to test those guys or replace them, either way. But testing the fuse will tell you for sure if it's good or bad. Sometimes you think you have a good fuse, you install it, you still have problems, you put more money, parts, time into fixing your car when all we had to do test the fuse and find out that it's actually a bad fuse. We'll put the link guys to that video, tells you how to test it in a few seconds on it will be shared in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Perfect, we're done here. Now we need to go outside and there is one more that we need to check, okay, for the power seats that can be responsible for power seat not to work out, but probably at that point if the other one goes bad more things will not work as well guys. So let's explain which one it's now. So if you come right here, you look at the fuse box, okay, you can see the layout here corresponds to what we have here if you hold it that way. We need to find fuse number B plus 4, this fuse right here. So it's part of that mega multi-fuse guys, multi-fuse right here, and that's the second fuse from left to right. You can see through the glass if it's burnt or not. We'll have a special video how to replace that mega fuse guys the correct way, otherwise you can cause damage to your car and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Also we'll have a video how to test it. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.